One of the biggest mistakes many traders make is not tracking their trades. Without tracking, it's almost impossible to know what's actually working in your trading and what isn't. Many traders assume their strategy is the problem when they're losing money. But often the real issue is much simpler. They don't have any data on their own trading. And without that data, improvement becomes mostly guesswork. Trade tracking solves this problem. When you track your trades consistently, you start to see patterns. You might discover that one setup performs much better than the others, or that you tend to lose money during certain times of the day. Some traders realize they're profitable on Mondays through Wednesdays, but consistently lose money on Fridays. Others discover they tend to overtrade after a losing trade, try and win the money back. These are the kinds of insights that are very hard to see without tracking your results. The good news is that trade tracking doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need expensive software or a complicated system. A simple spreadsheet can do the job perfectly. For example, you might track things like the date of the trade, which day of the week it is, what time you entered into the trade, the order type, trade setup, and trade result, and then a few notes about why you took the trade. After 50, 100, or 150 trades, this information becomes extremely valuable. Instead of guessing, you can actually review your trading data and see what's really happening. You might notice that one setup consistently performs better than the others, or that certain trading habits are quietly hurting your results. Once you see those patterns, it becomes much easier to improve. Small adjustments based on real data can make a big difference over time. Keeping it simple, you could build in calculations to evaluate the data yourself. But honestly, there are already free tools online that can do this for you. For example, every 100 to 150 trades or so, I download my sheet as a CSV file and upload it to a free AI-powered chatbot. I can ask it to analyze my data and show patterns, win rates, or other breakdowns. It can quickly highlight things like certain times of the day when my win rate drops, setups I'm using that aren't performing as well. This approach makes data-driven improvements simple without needing complex tools. If you'd like a simple way to start tracking your trades, I've created a basic Google Sheet that you can use. It's the same simple layout I use for tracking my own trades. You can download it for free from my website, futurestradingonecontract.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Just visit the Resource Hub page. You can download a copy instantly and use as it is, or customize your own columns to fit your trading. If you're serious about improving your trading, tracking your trades is one of the simplest and most effective habits you can build. Thanks for watching. Good luck in your trading journey, and we'll see you in the markets.